What is an assistant on Zenler? Assistants help you with managing your site. Assistants do not have the ability to view the dashboard or touch the integrations. They cannot run reports. They cannot change your Zenler pricing plan. They cannot purchase a course as they are assistants. They cannot touch the API key. They cannot go into the partner program management. They cannot go into sub-sites, and they cannot go into lives or set those up. But what assistants can do is go and manage the course for you, go in and manage marketing funnels. They can send email broadcasts. They can go into the site settings. They can go into people management, community management. So assistants can be really helpful for you. Think of them as VAs. Let's go in and see what this assistant, Mary, has access to. Let's enter an email and the password to log in to the assistant's account. Log in. And they are presented with a dashboard. So you're going to see that they have create calls, generate leads, and send broadcasts. Let's go into courses and you'll see that they have access to manage your course. You'll also see under marketing funnels that they can manage your marketing funnels and send email broadcasts out and manage any communities that you have running. They can also go into lives and help you with management of your lives. Under here, they can go into their account settings and make the usual changes which are default to most user roles within the Zenler site. Assistants is a really versatile role for VAs to help you run your Zenler site.